Types of computers. Traditionally, computers were classified by their size, processing speed, and cost. Based on these factors, computers were classified as microcomputers, mini-computers, mainframes, and supercomputers. However, with rapidly changing technology, this classification is no more relevant. The problem is that the computer technology is changing so swiftly that after every few months, new models of computers are introduced having much higher performance and costing less than their preceding models. Hence, a recently introduced small system can outperform large models of a few years ago, and a mini computer can perform the jobs of an earlier mainframe at much lower cost. Hence, today computers are classified based on their mode of use. So, based on the mode of use, computers can be classified as palms, laptop PCs, desktop PCs and workstations. Based on interconnected computers, they can be classified as distributed computers and parallel computers. Personal computers or PCs. A personal computer is any general purpose computer whose size, capabilities, and original sales price make it useful for individuals and which is intended to be operated directly by an end user with no intervening computer operator. A personal computer may be a desktop computer, a laptop, tablet PC, or a handheld PC called the palm top. The most common microprocessors in personal computers are x86 compatible CPUs. Software applications for personal computers include word processing, spreadsheets, databases, web browsers, and email clients, games, and a number of personal productivity and special purpose software. Modern personal computers have high-speed connections to the internet, allowing access to the World Wide Web and a wide range of other resources. A PC may be used at home or may be found in an office. Personal computers can be connected to a local area network LAN either by a cable or wirelessly. While early PC owners usually had to write their own programs to do anything useful with the machines, today's users have access to a wide range of commercial and non-commercial software which is provided in ready-to-run form. Since the 1980s, Microsoft and Intel have dominated much of the personal computer market. The capabilities of the personal computer have changed greatly since the introduction of electronic computers. Today, computers for personal use come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny PDAs, personal digital assistant, to hefty PC towers. More specialized models are announced each week. Workstation. A workstation is a high-end personal computer designed for technical or scientific applications. Intended primarily to be used by one person at a time, they are commonly connected to a local area network and run multi-user operating systems. Historically, workstations had offered higher performance than personal computers, especially with respect to CPU and graphics, memory capacity, and multitasking capability. They are optimized for the visualization and manipulation of different types of complex data such as 3D mechanical design, engineering simulation, animation and rendering of images, and mathematical plots. Consoles consist of a high-resolution display, a keyboard and a mouse at a minimum, but also offer multiple displays, graphic tablets, 3D mic, etc. Multiple processor sockets, sophisticated CPUs, multiple displays, high-performance graphics card are some of the features of a workstation. Laptops. A laptop computer, or simply laptop, also called a notebook computer or sometimes a notebook, is a personal computer designed for mobile use and small and light enough to sit on a person's lap while in use. Typically, a laptop has 14 to 17 inch screen, internal DVD, RDM or DVD RW drive with a large fully featured keyboard. The features of a laptop continues. The advantages are portability, connectivity. You can connect that to any network very easily. Getting more work done whether you are in travel, whether you are staying in some places. Lower power consumption, and laptops are often quieter than desktops. Palm tops. Palm tops are pocket-sized computing devices, typically having a display screen with touch input or a miniature keyboard. Some of the mobile computer devices are laptop, notebook computer, tablet computer, PDAs or personal digital assistant, smartphones, e-book readers, portable data terminals, pager, graphic calculator, digital video camera, etc. Notebooks. Notebooks are a rapidly evolving category of small, light and inexpensive laptop computers suited for general computing and accessing web-based applications. Normally, these are lightweight computers having thin profile with 12 to 14 inch screen, no DVD or CD system, limited graphic capabilities, and comes with integrated modem. It has a small keyboard. It consumes less power, normally more than 4 hours of battery life, but upgradability is very limited. Usually it weighs 1.5 to 3 pounds, size smaller than a laptop. Tablet PCs. In general terms, tablet PC refers to a slate or tablet-shaped mobile computer device equipped with a touchscreen or stylus. This form factor offers a more mobile computer. Tablet PCs may be used where notebooks are impractical or unwieldy or do not provide the needed functionality. One can use a stylus or digital pen or even a fingertip instead of a keyboard or mouse. One can attach an external keyboard or a mouse. The stylus can also be used to type on a pen-based key shortcut. Some of the tablet PCs have voice recognition capacity, usually small screen size around 8 inches. Personal Digital Assistant. A Personal Digital Assistant (PDA), also known as a palm-top computer, is a mobile device which functions as a personal information manager and connects to the internet. The PDA has an electronic visual display enabling it to include a web browser, but some newer models also have audio capabilities, enabling them to be used as mobile phones or portable media players. Many PDAs can access the internet, intranets or extranets via Wi-Fi or wireless wide area networks. Many PDAs employ touchscreen technology. Initially, these were used for track of schedules, maintaining directories of names and addresses, and accessing email. Since 2003, the processor speeds as well as memories have increased, and it became compatible with web browser, cellular telephone, and fax capabilities. Smartphones. Smartphones nowadays are mini computers. They perform almost all the works done by a computer. It is a compromise between a cell phone and a PDA. Allows user to install programs, store information, use internet, etc. iPods. iPods are media players marketed and designed by Apple Computers. It was launched in 2001. These are primarily music players. The latest, the 5th generation that can play video is iPod Nano. iPod Nano. E-book readers. E-book readers, also called e-book device or e-reader, these are used to display e-books. The main companies that manufacture e-book readers: Amazon, Sony. E-book readers provided by Amazon is called Amazon Kindle. This is e-reader by Amazon. Mainframe computers. The term mainframe computer was created to distinguish the traditional large institutional computer intended to serve multiple users from the smaller single-user machines. Mainframes are computers used mainly by large organizations such as government, banks, and large corporations for critical applications involving bulk data processing such as census, industry and consumer statistics, enterprise resource planning, and financial transaction processing. These computers are capable of handling and processing very large amounts of data quickly. As far as memory and disk storages are concerned, these are enormous. Large-scale mainframes support multiple gigabytes of main memory and terabytes of disk storage. The original manufacturers of mainframe computers are 8 in number: Burroughs, Control Data, GE, Honeywell, IBM, NCR, RCA and UNIVAC. Out of these 8, IBM is the largest company. Therefore, this group came to be known IBM and the Seven Dwarfs. Supercomputers. A supercomputer is a computer that is at the front line of current processing capacity, particularly speed of calculation. Supercomputers can process billions of instructions per second. Supercomputers are very expensive and are employed for specialized tasks that require intensive numerical computations such as stock analysis, weather forecasting, scientific simulations, animated graphics, fluid dynamics calculations, nuclear energy research, electronic design, and analysis of geological data. Perhaps the best known supercomputer manufacturer is Cray Research. Some of the traditional companies which produce supercomputers are Cray and IBM. Supercomputers are extremely powerful computers, usually used in the case of research and space, military and governmental applications. Regarding its capacity, supercomputers are equivalent of thousands of personal computers.